Chapter 2. The Seed of Fire. Before there was the spark, there was silence, a waiting breath, a world not yet lit, but listening. The ancient flames hold secrets untold, waiting to be discovered. The ancients called him Enki. He rose from the deep, not with thunder, but with shape, with balance, with knowledge. He gave order to chaos, brought the plans for cities, harvest, stars, and in his hand a fire, but not flame, revelation. Later another would steal it, Prometheus, the titan who gave fire to man, but this fire, it burned from pride, from defiance. And man, seeing himself as God, built towers toward heaven, not to worship, to invade, to take Eden by force. They spoke one language, until the fire turned inward, and the word shattered, scattered across the earth. But the true fire was never stolen. It came down voluntarily, not to blind, no, but to restore. The Logos was not given to kings. It was whispered to shepherds and carried on a cross, through time, through dimensions. This is the seed the ancients tried to keep, the flame Prometheus never knew. Not power, not control, but redemption. The fire still burns and the word of Eden lives on. Next time, we trace the echoes of a tone hidden in stone. Episode 3. The Sky Language Towers, Temples and Tongues.